Want to connect with UK clients or partners using Retell AI? Today, we'll walk you through the simple steps to get a UK phone number, supercharging your business reach. First, you'll need a service provider that offers virtual UK phone numbers. Search online for virtual phone number UK. There are several options. Carefully compare providers, check their pricing, features like call forwarding and voicemail, and read reviews. Choose the provider that best fits your needs and budget. Next, sign up for an account with chosen provider. This usually involves providing your email address and other basic information. Once registered, you'll need to select and purchase your UK phone number. Many providers allow you to choose a number with specific area codes. After selecting a number, it's time to configure your settings within the provider's platform. This is usually pretty straightforward. You'll need to ensure you add the proper settings, such as call forwarding. The most important step is integrating your UK phone number with Retell AI. Typically, this involves providing the UK phone number you just acquired. Enter the UK phone number you've just acquired into Retell AI settings. Finally, confirm the connection. You might need to verify the number through a call or text message. Test the integration by making a preliminary call to your UK number to ensure it correctly routes with the Retell AI. And that's it. You now have a fully functional UK number for use with Retell AI, ready to handle calls from the UK. Expand your business, enhance your communication, and boost your market presence.